Your landing page might be costing you 30% of your conversions and you don't even know it. Today I'm showing you 3 speed metrics Google uses to grade your pages, the exact thresholds you need to hit in 2025 and how to fix them in under an hour. Welcome back to Daily Crow. Yesterday we talked about the conversion rate optimization is what it is, and today we're getting technical because this is the single biggest quick win, yeah that's right, quick win, you can implement. These metrics aren't just vanity numbers. They directly impact your quality score in Google Ads, which affects how much you pay per click and whether people actually convert. So people actually convert, that's pretty important. Core Web Vitals are Google's official measurements for page experience. There are 3. 1. Largest Contentful Paint, or LCP. This measures how long it takes for the main content of your page to load. In 2025, you need to be under 2.5 seconds. So if you're 4 seconds, you're in the poor zone, and Google is actively penalizing you. 2. Interaction to next paint, or INP. This replaced first input delay in 2024. It measures how quickly your page responds to someone's click of a button or tap to a link and so forth. You need to be under 200 milliseconds. 3. Cumulative Layout Shift, or CLS. This measures how much your page jumps around while it's loading. When you go to click a button and suddenly the image moves and you click something else, that's layout shift. You need to be under 0.1. All you need to know is the number because it measures it. So yeah, don't worry what that means. Here's the brutal reality. Page speed accounts for 35% of your overall landing page quality score in Google Ads. That means your core web vitals are poor. If your core web vitals are poor, you're paying more per click and getting lower ad positions. But it gets worse. Research consistently shows that every 1 second delay in page load time reduces conversions by approximately 7%. Yeah, that's right, 7%. As a hypothetical example, if your page takes, say, 5 seconds to load, and instead of 2, that's 3 seconds extra, which is roughly 21% drop in conversion rate. With a $10,000 monthly budget, that represents about $2,000 in wasted spend every single month. That's a bit of coin there. And remember, 70% of your traffic's on mobile. Mobile users are even more impatient, in most studies have shown. And if their page doesn't load in 3 seconds on a mobile, 53, yep, that's right, over half mobile users will abandon it. So they won't just convert less, they will leave the site. So here's what you do right now. Go to PageSpeed Insights, which is at pagespeed.web.dev. Drop your landing page in the URL. Wait 30 seconds. Google will give you scores for all 3 core web vitals on web and desktop. Now pay attention to the mobile first. That's where most of the traffic is these days. So if any metric is in red or orange zones, we've got work to do. You can also check inside Google Search Console under Core Web Vitals report. This will show you all the pages, not just the one page, but all the pages which ones are failing. Now, the reason I say landing pages, especially if you're doing ads, the exact page that your ad goes to is the one you need to measure. Okay, quick fixes. Let me give you 3 fixes that you can do today. Fix 1, compress your images. Most landing pages have a massive hero image. So that's most, not all, but most, that are 5 meg or bigger. They should be about 200K. You can use something like Tiny PNG or Squish, or there's so many to compress them. This alone can improve your LCP by 1 or 2 seconds. So that's 7 to 14% better. So that's pretty worthwhile. Fix 2: remove unnecessary scripts. Every Facebook pixel, tracking code, analytics script slows down your page. Audit what you actually need and put them all into a Google Tag Manager so they all load asynchronously. I'm not even going to try to pronounce that. They all load at the same time. How about I just use words I can pronounce rather than putting in words that I think are fancy? Okay, fix number 3. Use lazy loading for images below the fold. Your page doesn't need to load every single image that the user that they can't even see. WordPress has this built in these days, so just turn it on. It's just a switch. For other builders out there, just look into the builder to see how to do it. As a hypothetical example, imagine implementing all 3 of these fixes and going from 4.2 seconds to 2.1 seconds. Your conversion rate will suddenly jump from 1.8% to 2.4%. Same traffic, same ad spend, 33% more leads. That's the impact of PageSpeed. Oh, sorry, and there's the example. I forgot to put the screen up. Okay, so I'm going to give you homework this time. We're only on video 2, day 2, and I'm giving you homework already. Okay, so your homework is test your landing page in PageSpeed Insights today. Screenshot your scores. If your LCP is over 2.5 seconds, compress the hero image. Test it again, and I guarantee you'll see an improvement. Tomorrow we're going to be covering a mistake that's costing you over 40% of your ad budget. Device targeting. I'm showing you why the device with the most traffic often has the worst conversion rate and what you can do about it. I'm Shane. This is the Daily Crow. Keep questioning, keep learning, and please like and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss tomorrow's episode. And I'll see you then.